Do you ever feel like life is moving too fast? Like your mind just won't quiet down and happiness feels out of reach? Well, what if I told you peace and joy aren't about having a perfect life, but about creating small, intentional habits every day? Stay with me, because today we're diving into simple, science-backed ways to become a calmer, happier you. Manage your mind. Happiness begins here, inside your mind. The way you think, the way you speak to yourself, it shapes your mood more than you realize. Start with gratitude. Take a few minutes each week. Write down the little things you're thankful for. A kind smile, a good cup of coffee, the sunshine on your face. These moments train your brain to see joy. Then, practice positive self-talk. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I'll give it my best." Small shift, big impact. And here's a secret weapon: mindfulness. Even just 5 minutes of meditation, breathing, being in the present moment, can quiet the chaos in your head. Oh, and please let go of perfectionism. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up, do your best, and allow yourself to be human. Nurture your body. Your mind and body are like best friends. What you do for one affects the other. Start with sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Trust me, rest is not a luxury, it's medicine for your brain. Move your body. A daily walk, yoga, or even dancing in your living room releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that fight stress. Just 30 minutes a day can lift your entire mood. Eat real, nourishing food. Fresh fruits, crunchy veggies, wholesome meals. They fuel not just your body, but your happiness. And don't forget, nature is a healer. Step outside for 10 minutes. Breathe in fresh air. Let the sky remind you that you are part of something bigger. Connect with your world. Happiness isn't meant to be lived alone. It grows through connection. Invest in your relationships, friends, family, community. A strong support system doesn't just bring comfort, it can literally add years to your life. And here's the secret: helping others is one of the fastest ways to lift your own spirit. A kind word, a helping hand, volunteering. Kindness circles back. Find your purpose. Do what makes you feel alive, whether it's painting, teaching, building, or caring. Purpose gives your days meaning. And if you're lucky enough to have a furry friend, cuddle them. Pets show that oxytocin, the love hormone, helping you feel safe, calm, and connected. Outro. So, becoming calmer and happier isn't about chasing perfection. It's about little choices. How you think, how you care for your body, and how you connect with the world. Start today. Just one small habit. Gratitude. A walk. A phone call to a loved one. Because happiness isn't waiting in the future, it's here, in the moments you create today. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Echo AI for more ways to live your best, most meaningful life.